try and make a video. Here we are. Lightning Link so far is pretty stuck in the poos. But it might get better. Let's see if it gets better. Let's see if we can win. Come on, Lightning Link. Come on. Horses are wild. This is a number. You need 6 of the numbers. Can you even see it? I don't know. There you go. Still learning. Coming linkages of wilds and the linkages of the lightning. Lightning is a linkage. The horsies. To shoot the horses if they don't wake up soon. Well, there's 3, 5. Where is the 6th one? That's rude. Okay, 3 here. 4, 7, and now we've got the bonus. Here's the bonus. 2 cents a bit. We're going to press the start feature. 1, 2, 3, and go. We recommend the 1, 2, 3 approach because this is how you could win the feature and get the money. Touching the screen sometimes can work. And here we go. Look at that. That was pretty cool. The screen. Oh yes, another $8. Let's go. I'm going to touch the screen now. You have to touch it. You have to touch it. Here we go. Here we are in Las Vegas at Silver Sevens. Will it win? Will it win? Yes, another mini. And minis are $20 each. Minis are 20. Come on. Come on. Come on. The Lightning Link. Oh, and another $6. We're down to 3. 15 would get the grand. I'm just saying. We're just going to pause up another mini. Just showing you here the minis are 20. And up here we've got 13. And look at that grand. 11,000. Very hard to get, but let's try it. Come on, 2 spins. Alright, 1 more spin. Oh, and 1 more. Lucky last, let's do it. Double money. Alright, 13 collected. It's making that good noise that you want to hear. Do, 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 do. Well, here's the winner. You're a winner here in Las Vegas. You're a winner. That's all I can say. And it's as easy as this, people. This is how you do it. It's 110 US dollars, tax free. Ah, yes, here on the Lightning Link. Lightning Link. That's it, the Lightning Link. Here at Silver Sevens, Las Vegas. Alright, let's advance that down. Thank you, everyone. Have fun.